Now, in the unit content folders, like this one for the Chapter 1 content, there are a number of section videos and animations, applets, as well as homework and the discussion that'll be due as part of your homework. But now, when you look at these section videos, one thing that you should keep in mind is that a lot of the section videos and learning objects and really, just a number of other types of instructional aids can all be found within the electronic textbook. So if you access the textbook and review materials, notice there is a link for the multimedia eText. This is the electronic copy of your textbook, except it is enhanced with section videos, animations, and all the other things that we've listed inside the content folders. So when you access this, one of the things you should notice is that the table of contents, so if we were to go to Chapter 1.1, the review and preview, what you'll see is an exact duplicate now of your textbook. It looks identical. The difference now is if you progress through the pages, you'll see things like this. Next to the definitions, we have this icon here that will launch an application or an animated activity related to these definitions. So if I were to click on that, what you'll get is some additional material to help learn the material. And these are the same animations and activities that we have embedded within Blackboard. So please don't neglect just reading the material, because that's your primary source of really learning the material is what you read, especially in the context of the examples they give you. I mean, look, for section 1.2, they start that off with a number of icons available, including the video lectures that we have embedded also within Blackboard. So they're all here for you. And it's laid out in a way that's really to benefit you and help you learn the material.